Finn's Fun Trucks, Rapid Responders, written by Finn Coyle, illustrated by Sramali Basani. We are the Rapid Responders. We are here to keep you safe with the help of some really awesome vehicles. Each one has a job of its own. Can you guess what each one does? This is a fire truck. Can you guess what it does? Ladder, storage compartment, hose. A fire truck helps firefighters put out fires. It holds all of the equipment they need, like a ladder and a hose. This is a police car. Can you guess what it does? Light bar, reflective badge decal, spotlight. A police car is used for patrols and transporting police officers to emergencies. It has sirens and lights to let other drivers know where police officers are and when they have arrived on the scene. This is an ambulance. Can you guess what it does? Warning lights, Star of Life symbol, siren. An ambulance transports emergency medical technicians and their medical supplies to accidents and takes people who are hurt safely to the hospital. This is a rescue helicopter. Can you guess what it does? Blade, cockpit, landing skids. A rescue helicopter helps get first responders quickly and safely to emergency situations that are in tricky spots. This is a Coast Guard cutter. Can you guess what it does? Engines, pilot house, stern ramp. A Coast Guard cutter is used in water rescues and to help enforce laws on the high seas. We are the Rapid Responders. Can you guess what we can do when we all work together? Police car, fire truck, ambulance, rescue helicopter, Coast Guard cutter. We can keep citizens safe by air, land, and sea. This has been Finn's Fun Trucks, Rapid Responders, written by Finn Coyle, illustrated by Sramali Basani, narrated by Henry Rogers.